In today's session, we're going to see WordPress. Okay, with the syllabus topic, WordPress. Okay, okay. See, WordPress is a free open source content management. Free open source content management. Okay, CMS. Yeah, WordPress is a free open source content management CMS, which is based on PHP and MySQL, which is based on PHP and MySQL. Okay, so WordPress was launched on 27 May 2003. WordPress ये launch हुआ था 27 May 2003. Okay. Okay, its launch. The launching date is the 20 May on 2003. Then WordPress was founded by ये under WordPress Foundation. WordPress Foundation के through ये found हुआ. Okay, the WordPress is a release under the license of GNU. जो WordPress ये किसके license के under release हुआ? Under the license of GNU. Okay, so WordPress is a free and open source content management. Okay, then which is based on PHP and MySQL. WordPress was launched on 27 May 2003. WordPress was founded by Matt, you can say, and Mike Little under the WordPress Foundation. The WordPress is a release under the license of GNU, GPL v2 from Free Software Foundation. Okay, is then future of WordPress. Future of WordPress. Let's see what is the future of this. 1 minute. We have to do this. Okay. Future of this. First one, easy to use. Easy to use. Okay. So here it is very simple to create and make change to your website comfortable. मतलब वर्डप्रेस के थ्रू हम लोग वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं. ये इजी है यूज करने के लिए टू क्रिएट एंड मेक चेंज टू यूर वेबसाइट कंफर्टेबली. देन इम्प्रेसिव डिजाइन. सेकंड फीचर है इम्प्रेसिव डिजाइन. ओके, लेट्स सी. Okay, in this WordPress have 100 of high quality themes from which you can find a unique style for your site. मतलब एक तो easy to use है ये, मतलब आपको आपकी वेबसाइट कंफर्टेबली यूज कर चेंज कर सकते हो आप इजी. हाँ, देन इम्प्रेसिव डिजाइन मतलब कितने हंड्रेड्स के अबाउ इसमें डिजाइन है थीम से. अकॉर्डिंग आप अपनी थीम्स यूनिकली बना सकते हैं. थीम्स मतलब आपको किस टाइप का बैकग्राउंड चाहिए, कैसा पेज चाहिए, किस डिजाइन बिजनेस की हो तो बिजनेस की थीम्स आपको शो होगी जिसमें आपको ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना होगा या सिलेक्ट करके अपने वेबसाइट में इंक्लूड करना होगा. सो इम्प्रेसिव डिजाइन इसलिए इसको कहा गया, इसका फ्यूचर है. देन मोबाइल सपोर्ट. देन मोबाइल सपोर्ट. ओके, इसमें क्या है, यू कैन मॉडिफाई और अपडेट यूर वेबसाइट थ्रू यूर मोबाइल एप्स फॉर iOS एंड एंड्रॉइड. मतलब विद द हेल्प ऑफ वर्डप्रेस यू कैन you can easily modify through your mobile also. Okay, so it's called that's why here the future is mobile support. Your own domain name, you can give your own domain name for your website. You can also map with your existing name domain name using the WordPress, your own. Okay, then plugin, own domain name, own domain, मतलब ये वर्डप्रेस है ना, ये आपको वेबसाइट क्रिएट करने के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है, करते हैं सॉरी. सो ओन डोमेन नेम्स नॉट प्रेस, ओन डोमेन नेम हियर. Okay, so here what, you can give your own domain name for your website. Okay, then plugin, plugins here you can also sorry, it allows in plugin, it allows user to extend the features and functionalities of your website or blogs. It has large plugin available and each one providing the feature to implement. Okay, so plugin में क्या है? It allows to extend the feature and functionality of your website or blogs. It has large plugins available and each one providing the feature to implement users' need. Then multi-user and multi-blogging. Here multi-user and multi-blogging also there. Okay, the next feature is a multi-users and multi-blogging. Okay. So let's see what is there in this. WordPress in multi-user and multi-blogging, WordPress support one block per installation. Also, you can run on different directories by using multiple concurrent copies. WordPress having a group of testers who test each release the block post of WordPress can be edited in HTML or by using any one plugin, which allows you editing or modify facility provides the advanced features to WordPress. The PHP, .NET, HTML, and CSS facility are allowed. Then WordPress having two categories of them, which are free themes and premium theme. All the free themes are giving in WordPress theme directly, and premium themes should be acquired from marketplace and WordPress developer. This user may also build and develop their own themes if they have knowledge to do. But if user don't have knowledge to build, then they may be free WordPress themes by downloading WordPress themes. Okay, advantages of WordPress: quick development. One of the major advantages. One minute, advantages. So first is quick development. Okay. So in quick development, one of the major advantages of using WordPress framework is the speed at which you are able to meet functionality. It is a quick development. Abstraction, the second one is the abstraction. So in abstraction, WordPress provides an abstraction level. It provides easy way to build setting option with function calls and clear code. Then visual representation, virtual. Third one is virtual. In this, okay, here this is another advantage of using WordPress, which helps bridge between the gap what we are trying to do and what is the actually happen. Virtual representation it means virtually what will we do and what's trying we are trying to do and what will be happen. Okay, like virtual representation. Then simple optimization. WordPress gives certain great search engine optimization tool which help to your own website. So first one is the simple optimization. Okay, here what simple optimization. Here WordPress gives certain great search engine optimization tool which helps to your own website and easy to operate. Fifth one advantage is easy to operate. Okay, here you can modify to website yourself. If you don't have knowledge of HTML coding in WordPress, it is easy to add any blocks, post, page, image, and edit your current content. Okay, if you don't know how to do website for particular coding, yeah, so if a particular website's coding, you don't know how to build website through coding, then WordPress is a easy option. You can download it and you can drag and drop it, and you can easy to make okay websites. Then this GCC. Okay, GCC. GCC stands for GNU, which we have seen in my previous lecture so many times, right? C for compiler and collection. GNU compiler collection. It is a GCC. Okay. So here in GCC stand for GNU compiler collection, that is a GCC. It is a compiler system. A compiler means you know very well जब भी हम कुछ कोडिंग करते हैं टर्बो सी या जो भी आपने देखा हो तो जब हम लोग एरर फाइंड करते हैं तो इन टर्बो सी सॉफ्टवेयर आफ्टर Okay, in Turbosi software में after coding we have to first compile और compile करने के बाद we get कि कहाँ हमारा error है किसमें कहाँ हमें correction करना है. Okay, so GNU compiler correction. GNU stand for compiler collection. Okay, the GNU compiler collection, that is a GCC. It is a compiler system produced by the GNU project. It supports various programming language. GNU tool chain has key component called as GCC. The Free Software Foundation, that is the FSF, Free Software Foundation, share GCC under the GNU GPL General Public License. GCC has played important role in increment of free software. When it's only handled the C programming language, that time the name was GNUC. जब वो कंपाइलर कर रहे थे ओनली तब उसका नेम था GNUC, and when they collect the compile collection करने लगे then its name become GCC. The first version of GCC, that is GCC 1.0. The first version is compiler collection 1.0. It is the first version of GCC. Okay, so the free software foundation share the GCC under the GNU public license. मतलब ये GPL लाइसेंस के अंडर ये शेयर किया गया दिस फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर फाउंडेशन शेयर ये GCC. ओके, GNU कंपाइलर कलेक्शन ये किसके अंडर हुआ वर्क GPL, that is a general public license. GCC has played important role in the increment of free software. When it only handled C programming language, that time the name was GNU C compiler. The first version of GCC, that is GCC 1.0, was released in 1987. This version is released in 1987 at the end of December. That compiler was extend the compile C++. Frontend were next developed for frontend Java, Objective C, then C++, and so on. GCC was extensively developed as a tool in the development of both proprietary as well as free software. Proprietary means closed software and as well as free software. So GCC was extensively developed as a tool. मतलब ये as a tool develop हुआ in development of both closed and free software. On embedded platform, GCC is available including called GCC Symbine GCC. The compiler can target general platform like video games, console such as PlayStation 2 and Dreamcast. In March 2022, 1987, GCC was first time release. Okay, ये 22 मार्च ये फर्स्ट टाइम रिलीज कब हुआ 22 22nd March in 1987. Okay, release it was available by FTPP. Okay, so in March 22, 1987, GCC, मतलब GNU Compile Collection was first time released, and it was available by FTP, that is a file transfer protocol. In 1990, GCC support 13 computer architecture. In 1990, this support GCC supports what? Support the 33 computer architecture. It is a license under the GPL. You know very well GCC is a license under the GPL. You know very well the meaning of full form of GPL, that is General Public License. In 1987 it was released. Okay, and it's available by the FTP. Then 1990 GCS support 13 computer architecture. It is a license under the GPL. It was written in C++, but basically or originally in C. It in 1997, a group of developers formed EGCS called Experimental Enhanced GNU Compiler System to combine multiple experimental forks into single project. So what happened in 1997? A group of project, a group of developers, a group of developers formed EGCS, that is called experimental, yeah, you can say enhanced GNU compiler system, to combine multiple experimental forks into single project. In it includes PGC. Then many C++ implement many new architecture and operating system. Okay, some of features providing by GCC are as follows. Features of GCC. Future of CG, sorry, GCC, that is first one is link time optimization. Link time optimization. And plugin. Okay, let's see this first and second. Link time optimization. In this, each source compilation generate a separate object file and link time helper file. When the object files are linked, the compiler is execute again. It uses the helper files to optimize code across the separate compile object file. मतलब लिंक टाइम ऑप्टिमाइजेशन मीन्स जैसे कि अगर आप कोई कोड लिखते हो वो में आप सी लैंग्वेज में जब आप कोड लिखते हो और जब वो कोड में अगर कुछ एरर्स हो तो आफ्टर यूर कंपाइल ये मतलब अगर एरर फ्री है तो वो एरर फ्री शो होगा, या कुछ एरर होगी तो वो एरर डिटेक्ट करता है. ओके, plugins. It can extend the GCC compiler directly. For example, plugins can remove or delete, replace, add middle end passes operating on the GPL representation. Simple representation version 4.6 supports a popular parallel language extension OpenMP. Version 5 supports Clip Plus and version 5.1 support OpenACC. In GCC, 4.1 includes front ends for Objective-C, Objective-C++, C. Then version 4.0 supports only front end 77. So this is the work of GCC. We have seen the GCC and WordPress. Now let's see the little info about GDP. GDP is also called as GNU debugger and named GDP as an execute file. It is a standard debugger for the GNU operating system. It is portable debugger that runs on many Unix-like system and work for multiple programming language like C++, Free Parcel, Java Objective, Free Pascal, Java Objective, C++, and C. Author of GDP was Richard Stallman. He was written first GDP in 1986 as a part of GNU system. Okay, so ये इसका हम डिटेल नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में we will see the GDP. Okay, okay. So today's lecture over here. Thank you.